Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be unboxing with you Louily Jewelry. I literally can't say the word jewelry without messing it up in some kind of way. I feel like that's my accent playing a big part on it, but we're gonna be unboxing. I obviously know what it is, but you guys don't, so it's gonna be a little surprise for y'all. But yeah, let's see. This comes in with a little bag, and then inside the bag we have a little of a packet with, it just says like details about the jewelry, and you can like return form or exchange return instructions in case it didn't fit. And then it has different jewelry that they have right here, and it has a lot of good information for use. Yep. The next thing that we have in here is a little polishing cloth, which I feel like it's really cute and really like important, because a lot of times like you want to polish your jewelry and you're like, I don't have anything to do that with. And then you're just like, what do I do? But this one comes with it, so it's like, you know, slay. So we're opening it and it says Louily on it. It's really cute, just like polishing cloth, nothing crazy, but it's an important part of it all. Next thing is the most important thing ever. We got the box in here. Right here is the box. It says Louily on top. I love the little diamond that they have on top. I feel like it's really cute how they played that out. And now comes the actual ring. Boom. I feel like it's super gorgeous. It's exactly like I picked it out, and I think it's very simple yet very elegant. And obviously has a little tag because it hasn't been worn yet. If you're wondering, my ring size is 6. So if you ever want to like get me a ring, size 6. So we're going to try it on. I feel like it's super gorgeous and it's like sparkly, and honestly I feel like this is the best ring I could have picked for myself. They had a really large selection of literally any ring. They had gold rings obviously and everything you could possibly ask for. But this is my favorite part. I feel like this is so me, and it's not too much yet it's not simple and boring. So here, with the little bag, looks really cute. We have a little bit of a discount code for people who want to get something from Louily, which if you're a man, get your wife, your girlfriend, or your mom a ring. Or if you're a girl, then spoil yourself, because, you know, if men won't, why don't you do it to yourself? I feel like they're so gorgeous, and I love rings. I'm a big fan of rings, but I just don't always find a good one, and this is probably one of my favorite ones now. But yeah. So the link for the site is in the description, and so is the discount code. So I'll be seeing you there. I hope you really enjoyed this and love this ring. Literally, it's perfect. I can wear it anywhere I want. Like, look at this. And it's not too extra, yet it's like not simple. I feel like that's the most important part about like some type of jewelry, because if you're a person like me who doesn't like stuff that is too extra, it can't be too simple either, and they played it out really well. But that's also my choice of which ring I got, so I guess I did some part in it too. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below whatever you want. It's really your choice, and remember that you are absolutely beautiful. I love you so much. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.